Everyone thinks waxing is always painful. But pros know smooth, easy secrets. Stay with me, I'll share them. Secret 2 changes everything forever. I'm not here to sell miracles. These are real methods from spas. Clear, simple, proven steps that work. By the end, you'll wax smarter. The wax is not the problem. The wrong method causes all pain. Skipping prep makes skin irritated fast. Fix the method, enjoy smooth results. Exfoliate gently the day before. Drink water to hydrate your skin. Skip caffeine, it makes skin sensitive. Preparation makes waxing smoother and easier. Hard wax is best for Brazilians. It grips the hair, not skin. That means less irritation, less pain. Apply wax with hair growth. Pull quickly against the hair growth. Never hesitate, be clear and confident. One clean pull always hurts less. Use aloe gel to calm skin. Wear soft, loose cotton clothing. No hot showers for 24 hours. These steps prevent redness and ingrowns. Wax right after a warm shower. Heat opens pores and softens skin. Breathe slowly to relax your muscles. Relaxed skin makes waxing smoother, faster. Timing really is everything in waxing. Warmth plus technique is the secret. That's how pros keep it painless. Mistake 1. Shaving between wax sessions. Mistake 2. Numbing creams without advice. Mistake 3. Expecting instant perfection always. Fix these, and results improve steadily. Here's the simple formula that works. Prep carefully, use hard wax confidently. Time it right after warmth. Care for skin with gentle aftercare. This makes Brazilian waxing smooth, kind. Learned something new? Subscribe for more. Share your story in the comments. Together we make care stress-free.